can you please? Please, please. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa Campbell and I do all things food, fashion, and fitness. And today is going to be food. I created the most amazing overnight oats recipe and let's just say I'm in love. I've had it every single day this week and I was like, I need to share this with everybody because it's just so good. And I tried to take a photo of it and it just didn't look that pretty in a photo. So we're gonna do a video. Let's get started. So first off, you are gonna wanna take an apple. I already washed it. And we are going to chop it up. I like to do this part first, just so that way the apples can be cooking while I'm doing everything else. I'll do my best to not cut myself on camera, but I can't promise anything. Knives and I, well, you know, we don't get along always. I like to do smaller bites just so that way I get more bites with apple than less.
A few moments later.
Okay, once this is done, you're gonna wanna stick it in a pan with some coconut oil just so when it caramelizes, it is easier to wash. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. I add a little bit of water just so that way the apples will soften without having to be in the pan quite as long. And take some cinnamon. And if you want to, you can even put a tiny bit of sugar on them just for an extra caramelizing. I'm gonna cover it so they can sit there. I'm gonna keep it on medium-low and we'll just keep checking it. Okay, now while the apples are going, we're gonna go ahead and put our other ingredients in a mason jar. Now, if you are meal prepping, you can easily do multiple mason jars. I would. However, I'm using them all, so this is the only one that I have left. So, we'll start with this. And I'm going to go ahead and put in a half a cup of oats. This is, sometimes I'll do a fourth of a cup, so if you're trying to keep it lower carbs, you can easily cut back on the ingredients and it'll still taste just as good. So, half a cup of oats, and I'm doing 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, ground flaxseed. I'm doing a half a tablespoon of chia seeds. I have a sweet tooth. I like sweets, so I use Swerve brown sugar. So I'm gonna basically replicate when you buy the pre-made oats. I'm doing a combo of the maple brown sugar and the apple cinnamon. So it's like a combo, and I really enjoy it. You can omit anything you would like. So I did 2 teaspoons of this Swerve sugar. It's 0 calories, doesn't affect your glycemic index. It's made of erythritol. I really like this stuff. I have a really good reaction. I don't bloat from it. I don't have any issues with this. I love this type of sweetener. And same with the monk fruit. You can actually get this at Costco now. It's 0 glycemic as well. So I like to add in just under a teaspoon of that. I don't always do this, but I like having if I'm not having like a side with this, then I will go ahead and add a protein powder. I'm gonna throw in a half a scoop of this collagen. It's Vanilla Beauty Shake by Bikini Bod, and it is collagen and whey. So I'm gonna do a half a scoop of that. And then before you add in any liquids, if you add in protein powder, make sure you stir it up. It just makes it so that nothing is clumped up and it's perfectly dissolved. And I like the vanilla taste too, so that is nice. All right, and you can use almond milk, you can use cashew milk, you can use coconut milk, you can use whatever you want to use. Oh, even oat milk or regular milk if you like regular milk. I just don't drink regular milk very often, actually ever. I never drink regular milk. I do eat cheese and stuff once in a while, but I don't drink milk. Half and half, and heavy whipping cream, that's another story. That is another story. So I like to do 3/4 of a cup. Let's check on our apples and see how they're doing. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off now because now they need to crisp up. I'm gonna stir it up. And I'm gonna save this for a second serving. Put a jar. Alright guys, there you have it. That is my super simple, easy overnight oats. It tastes amazing. It tastes like apple pie. You can eat it cold. It creates a resistant starch, so when you eat it, it's more slowly digested and your intestines can create good bacteria in your gut. So I like to eat it cold. Or if you're feeling like hot apple pie, go ahead and stick it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Just be sure to remove the lid because, well, you don't want to put that in the microwave. That'd be a no-no. Don't do that. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, or let me know what you think and if you want to see more recipes like this. So thanks again. I'll talk to you later. Bye guys. I'm feeling super fall vibes right now. And I'm digging it because I like fall. I like fall a lot. It's actually really great. That's one of the best things about Georgia is we actually get a fall, and in Arizona, you don't. Don't get me wrong, I love Arizona, but I do love fall. So if I could have both, like if I could just have fall in Arizona and a shorter summer, I'd love it even more than I already do.